In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your DeepSeek password with this working 2025 method. First, open your browser and go to the official DeepSeek website and click on Login button. On the login page, look for Forgot Password or Reset Password link and click on it. Now, enter the email address you used to create your account and click Send Reset Link or Continue. Next, open your email inbox and look for password reset email from DeepSeek. Then, click the link inside the email and you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. So, enter a strong new password, confirm it, and click Save or Update Password. After that, go back to DeepSeek login page and sign in using your new password. If you don't see the reset email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. So that's it.